Risk management, corporate social responsibility, and sustainability. Risk CSR is an activity that is concerned with compliance, not just minimum requirement of law or regulation, but beyond. It is a form of self-regulation mechanism that ensure an organization and its employees behave in a way that is ethical and consistent with national and international norms, irrespective of how well law and regulations are designed to ensure that their employees and stakeholders receive all the benefits that they are entitled to from the organization. At the same time, they should be protected as fully as possible from any risk that may affect them. CSR activities may include philanthropy, providing free and subsidized services for the employees and their families, providing time off for employees that volunteer their time and expertise to local charities, marketing campaign to change social attitude towards human rights issues or environment, providing free and subsidized service, goods and service to clients and customers with low income. Sustainability is an extension to CSR philosophy as it adds environment as well as financial element with social element. And it is built on triple bottom line, that is people, planet, profit. Effective CSR and sustainability requires risk management because of following three reasons. Like CSR and sustainability, risk management is also a discipline. Also a discipline to create stakeholder values over long term. Risk management tools and techniques are essential when addressing issues related to environment, pollution, and or health and safety. Organizations that implement CSR and sustainability initiatives may suffer from reputation risk whenever these initiatives are implemented poorly. Regulatory reporting. Many organizations require to report information to regulators, which include following information: information on organization and its directors, information on staff salaries and tax paid, financial accounts, business plans, governance and internal control arrangements, major risks, how these risks are managed, pollution and health and safety incidences, major loss events and control failures. While providing reports to regulators, organization is exposed to following three risks: missed reporting deadlines, reports are provided but incomplete, reports are complete but there are errors in the information. Roles and responsibilities for regulatory reporting involve following functions: company secretary and other governance professionals, compliance function, which is responsible to design and implement reporting system, processes, and escalation procedure to ensure that they receive information they need to produce report, and they are not directly responsible for producing report but will oversee these activities. Finance function, health and safety function, information technology function, risk function, other functions. Reporting of suspicious transactions or activity. Suspected money laundering or terrorist activity is required to be reported to relevant authority, that is called National Crime Agency. Right submission of suspicious activity report SAR. Uh, for example, uh, activity activity example of this activity is large cash payment or withdrawal, strange behavior by stakeholders that do not make sense from commercial perspectives. Such activities need to be reported to nominated officer who will decide whether information to be transferred to NCA or not. In UK, SAR can be submitted via a secure online system, and such reports include following information: type and nature of suspicion, date and location of the event, individual is believed to be suspect, or victim, the personal details of individual engaged in the activity, individual account details where necessary. Behavior risks arise from negative employee behavior, which includes negligence and criminal behavior, aggression and bullying, lack of concern for health and safety or environment protection, focus on short-term rewards over long-term benefits, ignoring policies and procedures, and unwillingness to communicate or listen to the advice of others, pursuing personal objective at the expense of organization. One, resilience, where risk cannot be anticipated, the alternate is to build resilience. Such organizations respond to unanticipated risk events to help mitigate their effects. Aim is not prevention but effect reduction. Features of resilient organizations are that they accept that they cannot anticipate every risk events and especially emerging risk. Prepare for unexpected by designing effective crisis management and business recovery against continuity arrangements. React quickly and take action immediately. Invest in the effect reduction tools. Learn from past events. Techniques for assessing and control emerging risks includes board level strategic risk assessment, scenario planning and reverse stress testing, resilience and reputation management, fostering fostering a culture of creativity, mindfulness, and situation awareness. Managing risk in digital world. Embracing digital transformation is a way for organizations to increase their value. An organization that ignores digital transformations are at the risk of significant value erosion. Therefore, digital transformation is necessity for organization. It's not only about embracing new technology but also understanding how this technology affect customer behavior. New digital economy can be built on following pillars: knowledge, globalization, digitalization, integration and online working, disintermediation, convergence, innovations, virtualizations, immediacy, consumption, production by customers, molecular being more flexible towards work, disorders, digital risks that emerging technology will significantly impact the future profitability of an organization. The new technology are adopted too early or irrelevant to business model, resulting in significant cost and very little benefit. Newly adopted technology will create additional risk which were not well understood and are captured within the existing framework. That new digital economy immediately disseminate negative information globally through channels that cannot be managed or controlled, and information remains forever in the form of digital record. Thank you.